You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, this famous formula. If you want to learn more names from mathematics, there are many mispronounced, stay tuned, we've got many more. So the German pronunciation, Schwarzschild, Schwarzschild Radius, or Schwarzschild black hole. Therefore in English, Schwarzschild, Schwarzschild Radius. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.